Cool, cool. So, what are we doing today, Holly?
We're making one today.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got some of the parts here for the 50cc sidecar.
And I know I'm just later.
Right. Cool, cool. So what we're going to do today? We might just lay some stuff out. See if we can cut some material up to be what we need. So there's some things we're going to order, like the headstock tubing to fit the bearings correctly. Like we got to order that. Really?
Yeah.
Okay, go take it over there.
I got a new keyring.
Did ya?
You gave it to me, Daddy.
Yes, I know I did. Cool. No worries. So we might. Well, one thing we probably can do is we can just lay some tubing out, see where it's all going to run. Might be able to cut some rear plating out. We might be able to what else? Might be able to make up the front end loop, cut some material out of that one, so that'll be cool. We might be able to do the down tubes. So it's going to be pretty trick. It's going to be pretty much a full sidecar build, just with a pocket rocket engine in there. These are 9-inch wheels. These are 9-inch wheels with that. I think it's a 13, 12 and a half on the side, and these actually might be 6.5s. Might be 6.5s actually, not 9s. So. Not too sure whether I'm going to leave these road slicks on there or change them out to dirt tires. Not too sure yet. I'll have a think about it as we go. We're gonna put it all together and then go from there. Hey, oh look at that! That's beautiful. Come up, schmick as perfect. So this is I think it's 6.5 rim. I'm pretty sure according to the numbers on it. So this is 7/8, and I think it's 83 thou wall thickness we're running this at. And this is 3-inch die. So look at that, come up so good. I mean, made to fit. So yeah, that's the front end loop. So we're gonna look at where we want to run those. I don't know whether I'm making it like an adjustable one where I can slide it. Not too sure yet. I'll have a think about that. But then we pick up some shockies. Which way do the shockies go? So they rebound down. Pretty sure that's it there. So it'll be something along those lines. As it sits together. So yeah, cool. First day. So yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there slowly. So we'll trim all this up now, and then my helper's gone inside, so that didn't last too long. That's okay, but yeah, come up nice and smick. So really happy with that bend and that CLR. So that was good, awesome, cool. So just another thing mainly for myself for next time. So that was about 180 before I started the bend. It's definitely a little bit too long, so I'll probably start it around that sort of mark next time. Just so I don't waste this little bit here, but that's fine. I'm happy with just wasting 100 mil or whatever, 80 mil, whatever. So that's not too bad. Try to go a little bit too long, then a little bit too short, but I'm sure I'll be able to use that for something else, such as like the pin clips for the fiberglass on the seniors or the juniors. Might even be able to use it for this one as well, and probably run the linchpin slash what are they called? R clips or linchpins. So, but yeah, cool. Mainly for myself for next time. So probably can just start it. Maybe I'll measure that up. It's probably about 100 mil or so. Awesome. Cool. End of day one. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So we got the main headstock bearing tube in the jig. We've got the backbones in there. They're just taped up at the moment. I'm just going to sort out the back plates another day just to make them all straight and everything like that. Got a main beam in there, haven't bent up that one yet, but I'll just chuck it around this side. So I'm not too sure how wide it is as yet. It'll probably come out somewhere like here. So yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. So got the sprocket on the inside there, got the back plates, or the axle plates on the back there, got the little pocket rocket engine in there. Yeah, I think it's coming up pretty good. Come back around this side again. Yeah, so stay tuned for more. So we're getting underway, and yeah, should be pretty cool.
Yeah.